What is up, my friends? Ricky, aka Geek Pop, back with another WIXOSS Glowing Diva pack opening. Go ahead, open up this pack and see what we get. Okay, here we go. Open this. Come on, come on. And here we go. Let's see what we get. Oh, we got Paimon. That is awesome. We got Servant. Okay. Percival, the Blessed Crimson General. Andros, Blessed Evil. Under Attractive, very attractive card, yes. Madoka Slide, okay. And Stand Up. And look at that. Oh, Osagi Tsune, Phantom Terra Beast God. That is a beauty of a card.